Bonjour! Bonjour les amis, bienvenue! Welcome to French with Ananas. Moi, je m'appelle Madame Tweedy. Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy. And what is your name? If you want to tell me your name, you say Je m'appelle and then your name. Je m'appelle and then your name. It's so nice to see you today. Thanks for joining me. But we have a special friend we have to say bonjour to. As you see on my screen, French with Ananas, Ananas is our friend, and she helps us to learn French words. If you would like her to join us today, say Bonjour Ananas. Can you say that? Bonjour Ananas. I think she heard you. She's coming along. Say it again. Bonjour Ananas. Bonjour Ananas. Bonjour. Oh, so nice to see you. Oui, regarde les amis. She's a little bit shy. Are you a little bit shy? If you are shy, don't be, because French is a really fun language to learn. We're going to learn lots of new words and have lots of fun. And if you think that you would do better learning French with a friend or a stuffy, please invite your friends to come with you. And here we start lesson 1.3, and we are still on the A sound. Leçon 1.3, leçon A. So today I'm going to use a pen. I'm going to go over here and choose a color. Ananas, what color would you like? Quelle couleur est-ce que tu choisis? Oh, vert. Vert is green. Vert. So we're going to use this pen to show the words. So the series is called French with Ananas. And we're so happy that we've met Ananas today. So let's go down and see what we're going to learn today. Oh, so this is a new word. Have you seen one of these outside? Maybe in the grass, maybe in the pond, in the river. They are called canard. Canard. Now the English word is a duck, and in French it's canard. Now we're looking for A sounds today. A sound. Can you find the A sound in this word? Bravo! It's right here. That's the A sound. So the clue is they are the letters in red, en rouge. Les lettres en rouge. So let's repeat that one more time. Canard. Canard. How many syllables is in the word canard? Maybe we'll clap them together. Canard. Canard. I hear 2 syllables. Canard. 2 syllabes. 2 syllabes. Very nice. Let's see if you can guess the next word. We're going to go slowly make it. Oh, what could this be? I could see the top. Are you guessing what this is? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Oh, that's a beautiful tree. In French, the word for tree is arbre. Arbre. Can you find the letter A in this word? If you said this one, you are correct. And that makes the sound A. Let's say the word together again. Arbre. Arbre. And how many syllables would this word have? Arbre. 2. Arbre. Un arbre. Good job. Let's go down, see if we can guess the next word. Very exciting. Oh, what is this? I see ears, les oreilles, and I see eyes. Les yeux et le nez. What could it be? Ananas, do you know? Oh, I think she knows. She knows a lot about animals. And there, if you guessed a little bunny, you are correct. And in French, it's called un lapin. Lapin. Let's see if we can figure out combien de syllabes. Lapin. Let's clap it together. Lapin. 2 syllabes. You are correct. Lapin. Good job. Can you find the A sound in this word? Oui! Bravo! Lapin. There is the A sound. One more time. Lapin. Remember, my friends, to always repeat out loud. I don't know where you're watching this from. It could be your house. It could be the park, at school. It could be on your way somewhere. But always try and remember to repeat out loud. Lapin. And this way, you'll learn much quicker. Let's see if you can guess the next one. Oh, je vois de l'eau. Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est? Wow. Un kayak. Un kayak. This is a beautiful little boat that you can that you can ride in, and with a paddle you can go around the lake, in the ocean. Beautiful rides in a kayak. Let's see if we can count the syllables. Kayak. Can we clap them together? Kayak. Oh, deux. Deux syllabes. Kayak. Bravo! Yay! You're doing a great job. It's fun to learn words in French. Let's see if we can find another one. What is this one here? Fromage. 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 And that is the favorite treat of little mouses. Fromage. Maybe you have some in your lunch today. Can you find the A sound? Bravo! There is our A, letter A with the A sound. Fromage. How many syllables can we count together? Fromage. 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 Wow, you're doing such a good job. Let's try that again. Fromage. Good job. Merci. Let's go on. The next one is not a word, it's a question. And it says, Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Sac is also an A sound word, and here's the A in sac. S-A-C. Sac. Oh, do I have my sac? What? Oh, I think we do. Oh, regarde ici, j'ai mon sac. Oh, mon sac. Yay! Oh, something big. Something big in the sack. Oh, qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le sac? Inside. Let's check it out. And then, do you want to have a look inside? Do you want to have a look? Ooh, yes. Bravo. She likes what she sees. Oh, it's so heavy. C'est pesant. Heavy. Let's see if I can. Oh, qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon. Look at this. Oh, this is a word we just learned. My goodness. Wow. Oh. Wow. Qu'est-ce que. Oh. Oh. Beautiful. Do you remember the word for this? Canna. That's correct. Canna is the word for this beautiful duck. Canna. I had a really fun time today. I hope you had a good lesson with me. We'll see you next time. Au revoir.